Hey everyone, picture this. You wake up one morning and without even thinking, your mind starts rolling in English. Wouldn't that be amazing? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn that dream into a reality with simple daily habits. It's not magic, it's about making English a natural part of your day, every day. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand why daily habits are game changers for language learning. Learn specific habits that will help you think in English effortlessly. Discover how to weave these habits into your routine seamlessly. Let's kick things off with why daily habits are so powerful. Think about brushing your teeth. Do you even think about it anymore? Probably not. It's automatic. That's what we want for your English. When habits become automatic, they require less effort and become a natural part of your life. Start your day with a burst of English. It could be reading an English news article, listening to an English podcast, or doing a quick language exercise on Duolingo. This primes your brain to think in English from the moment you wake up. Set aside 10 minutes each morning to read a short article from BBC News or watch a clip from TED Talks. You'll start the day with fresh ideas and new vocabulary. Plus, you'll feel pretty accomplished before you even have your coffee. Get that inner voice speaking English. Practice narrating your actions and thoughts in English throughout the day. It might feel weird at first, but trust me, it's effective. I had a student named Carlos who started narrating his morning routine in English. I'm making coffee, I'm brushing my teeth, and after a week he told me it felt like his brain was switching to English automatically. It's a small change with a huge impact. Whenever you can, switch your daily tasks to English. Write your grocery list, set reminders, or even think about your to-dos in English. Instead of jotting down comprar leche on your grocery list, write buy milk. It reinforces vocabulary related to your daily activities and makes thinking in English second nature. Find chances to speak English every day. Use language exchange apps, chat with friends, or even talk to yourself. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Joseph, another student of mine, found a language partner online. They chatted for just 10 minutes each evening. This consistent practice worked wonders for his speaking skills and helped him think more naturally in English. Here's an assignment for you. Write your daily to-do list in English for the next 1 week. For further reading, I recommend Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's not specifically about language learning, but it offers excellent insight into how small, consistent habits can lead to significant changes over time. Integrating English into your daily habits doesn't require drastic changes. Make these habits a natural part of your day, and soon thinking in English will become second nature.